Have you ever wondered if creating a news channel with AI is possible? This video guide walks you through the simple steps to launch your own YouTube news channel effortlessly. So say goodbye to the days of hard work and high costs as AI news video generators streamline the process. Step 1. Channel customization. Alright, let's kick things off with step 1. To create your AI-powered news channel, start by brainstorming a unique name that grabs attention. Remember, a catchy name is like a hook for your audience. Customize your channel's appearance with a logo and banner that visually represents your brand. And don't forget the description. Make it informative with a dash of personality. Top it off with a catchy slogan that encapsulates your channel's mission. Trust me, first impressions count. Step 2. Content gathering. Now, onto step 2, where the AI magic truly begins. Creating engaging content is essential. Start by uploading your channel logo and banner, giving your news channel that professional touch. But the real kicker here is how you gather news. Enter Google News, the motherlode of up-to-the-minute stories. With AI News Video Generator, you can easily tap into this goldmine. But how does it work? Well, AI News Video Generator scores Google News for the latest trending stories, saving you hours of manual research. It then compiles these news pieces into engaging video content. Imagine being able to offer your audience fresh news every day without breaking a sweat. The best part: AI News Video Generator doesn't just regurgitate news, it transforms it into compelling video narratives, complete with visuals, audio, and more. Your audience won't just be informed, they'll be captivated. Step 3. President Biden and the AI News Video. In our third step, we're taking on a hot topic: President Biden's latest announcement about addressing extreme weather and the climate crisis. But guess what? We're not going to be using traditional methods to cover this news. Nope, we're turning to the power of AI. Enter 𝗙𝗵𝗿𝗄, our trusty AI tool. 𝗙𝗵𝗿 is about to revolutionize the way we create news videos. It's as simple as inputting the relevant data, and this AI wizard will magically transform it into a professional news video that's ready to be shared with your audience. Imagine the possibilities. No more spending hours editing footage or hiring a team of editors. 𝗙𝗵𝗿 has got you covered. Step 4. AI voiceover and lip sync. Now let's move on to step 4, where things get even more intriguing. We're talking about creating the perfect voiceover for your news video, and we're doing it with the help of another remarkable AI tool, 𝗙ecie AI. 𝗙cie AI allows you to choose from a wide variety of voice models. Whether you want your news anchor to sound authoritative, friendly, or somewhere in between, 𝗙cie AI has got the voice for you. All you need to do is select your preferred voice model, copy the news article you want to cover, and let 𝗙cie AI work its magic. Within moments, you'll have a voiceover that's not only clear and articulate, but also incredibly realistic. Gone are the days of struggling to find the perfect news anchor with the right tone. Thanks to AI, you can now customize your news anchor's voice to match your channel's identity. But that's not all. Once you've got your audio, it's time to make it even more engaging. How? By syncing it with a lifelike animated character. Yes, you heard that right. Another AI tool will help you achieve this. Imagine watching the news with a virtual news anchor whose lips move in perfect sync with the words being spoken. It adds a whole new level of authenticity to your news channel. Viewers will be captivated by the seamless integration of audio and visuals. Step 5. AI-powered news channel with open source code. Now, in step 5, we're talking about using open source code to make your news channel dreams come true. It's simpler than you might think. First, you'll need Google Colab, a powerful tool for running code in the cloud. With Google Colab at your disposal, you can unleash the potential of AI to create news videos. All you have to do is upload your video and audio files and let the AI work its magic. Imagine having your news channel up and running with just a few clicks. It's like having your personal newsroom right at your fingertips. No complicated software, no expensive equipment. Just pure AI awesomeness. Once your AI-powered masterpiece is ready, it's time to download the generated videos. It's as easy as hitting that download button and voila! Your news channel is one step closer to reality. Step 6. Crafting the perfect news video. Now, let's move on to Step 6, where we'll craft the perfect news video. We've got all the ingredients, and now it's time to whip up something amazing. First, we generate audio clips to bring life to our news report. With AI, you can ensure that every word is crystal clear, engaging, and professional. Your audience deserves nothing but the best, right? Next, let's begin by creating an attractive news background that grabs the audience's attention. We've moved beyond the days of boring, unchanging backgrounds. With AI's help, you can now design dynamic and visually appealing scenes that keep your viewers engaged during the broadcast. After that, it's time to use video editing tools with ease. You can easily trim, cut, and enhance your video footage, saying goodbye to the long and tedious editing process. AI is your efficient editing assistant, simplifying the editing tasks and making life easier for content creators like you. Lastly, you're ready to share your creative work with the world. Take your carefully crafted video and upload it to your personal YouTube channel. This platform serves as your canvas to display your AI-powered news reports to a worldwide audience eagerly awaiting your unique insights on current events. The world is excited to hear your perspective on the news, and your AI-powered production is set to captivate audiences near and far. Speaking of news, let's dive into a real-world example. President Biden is set to announce groundbreaking measures to tackle extreme weather and the climate crisis. This includes funding for advanced weather prediction, ensuring clean drinking water for all, and worker protection. But here's the twist. There's opposition from Congress and calls for more aggressive action on fossil fuels. Now, imagine covering this story with the speed and precision only AI can provide. Your news channel, powered by AI, can be at the forefront of delivering breaking news, giving your audience the latest updates in real time. But why AI is a 𝗙𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗲𝗃. Now you might be wondering why bother with all these AI tools when traditional methods exist. Well, here's the scoop. 1. Improved efficiency. When AI technology is used in producing news, it makes the process much faster and easier. You don't have to spend a lot of time editing or waiting for voice actors to carefully record scripts. 2. Greater diversity. With AI voice models like 𝗙𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗀, you can use a wide range of voices and perspectives in your news channel. This makes your news more inclusive and interesting to a wider audience. 3. More realistic. AI-generated voiceovers and lifelike lip synchronization create a captivating news-watching experience. It's like having a genuine news anchor right in your living room, making the broadcast feel incredibly authentic. 4. Cost savings. AI tools are cost-effective in the long run because they reduce the need to hire multiple professionals, which saves you money on operational expenses. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our AI adventures.